We have recently upgraded the Cetus2丨Klipper macro for gradient color, when we only need to use one gradient effect. Open printer settings, then go to machine G-code and enter the new macro in layer change G-code. Enter our macro. Let me show you the new effect of the update. When P equals 1, material extrusion gradually shift from extruder 1 to 2, when P equals 2 materials change from 2 to 1. When the P value is equal to 3, it indicates mixing from material 1 to material 2 and back to material 1. When the P value is equal to 4, it means from material 2 to material 1 and back to material 2. When X is equal to 1, it means that the gradient effect is repeated once. When X is equal to 2, it means that the gradient effect is repeated twice. The value of C indicates that this is the first material to be blended. C value is only needed when user try to add multiple gradients using different materials. Up to 9 gradients can be added into a single print. When we need to use multiple gradient blending effects, we need to put the macro from the printer settings into the material G-code. And make sure you have unique C value for each gradient material. Take a look at the results of our tests.